So today's topic is about potential due to a point charge. So we already know that electrostatic potential V at a point is equal to work done by an external force in bringing a unit positive charge from infinity to that point. So we can write the work done is equal to, it starts from infinity and ends up at this point. The distance from the origin is r, so we want the potential at p, so this is taken as origin. Okay, 0 comma 0 comma 0 coordinates. Now this is also positive charge, so a work is being done against the repulsive force. So infinity to r, so upper limit is r, lower limit is infinity, and we have q by 4 pi epsilon naught r dash square into dr dash, and on integration you will get this answer. Before going to this integration, we will see the basics of Coulomb's law. So we know by Coulomb's law the force is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q1 q2 divided by distance square. So q1, now we assume the another charge to be 1 coulomb, so unit, so 1 coulomb. So now we try to move this positive charge from infinity to p dash, so work is being done because of the external force. Okay, now we try to move this charge, the same unit positive charge, from p dash to some intermediate point m. The distance covered is del r dash. So now we can write the small, because the distance is very small, the work done is also very small. So the small work done is equal to minus q divided by 4 pi epsilon naught r dash square into del r dash. So this is for this distance, but we have to cover the entire distance, therefore we have to start integrating. Okay, that's why we go for integrating infinity to r, q by 4 pi epsilon naught r dash square into dr dash. Now if you integrate this, q by 4 pi epsilon naught is constant, you can take it out. This r dash square, if it goes to the numerator, r dash power minus 2 into dr dash. So this will result in r dash minus 2 plus 1, minus 1 by minus 1. So this will become minus 1 by r dash. Okay, that's how you got this, because q by 4 by epsilon naught is constant. So integration of 1 by r dash square is 1 by r dash, and you have minus sign. So minus minus will become plus. This minus is work is being done against the repulsive force, that's why we put minus. But how we got this plus? Because of integration we are getting minus, so minus into minus plus. Now this is nothing but the potential, the electrostatic potential V at a point. So electrostatic V potential at point P is given by q by 4 pi epsilon naught into r. That means q is charge, it's constant, 4 pi epsilon naught, everything is constant. It depends only on the distance between the point and the reference point, that is at the origin. So if you know these two things, we can always find the potential. Okay, so what are the points we have to remember in this? First, we to start the deriving this, we take a unit positive charge coming from infinity and reaching at p dash. Okay, then it moves at and reaches a point p, infinitesimally small length, and the distance cover is del r dash. Then we apply Coulomb's law. Then we are finding the minimum, the infinitesimally small work done because of this small distance. We know this. Then if we want for the entire length, we go for integration. That's what we do here. So w work done is equal to minus infinity, it's the origin, and reaching this point. This is from p. So this is upper limit is r, and we do the integration, and finally we got the potential at a point. So the potential at a point is equal to q, charge divided by 4 pi epsilon naught into r, where r is the distance between the origin and the point of consideration. So that's all about potential due to a point charge. Thank you. Nandri.